Hello guys, so this is pretty much with the planted tanks, and today is Sunday and we'll be making I have some time in my hand, and I found this vessel, this tub actually. So this is basically a flower vase, and I have plans to use it to make a closed ecosystem, so that very closed and small ecosystem. So since I have some time today, I'll get going with it. I'll get the items that are required for this: some sand, some construction sand, some soil, some gravels, and I'll use the plants that are in my tank. So this will be a low cost, since this was slightly for you guys. Like, you can buy a vessel like this one at a local store, or where you can find it. Try it out. Let's see how it goes. I'll keep on updating. Right now I'll be off trying to find the items that I need to create the substrate and the base layers. Bye-bye. Okay, so friends, I have gathered all the required items. So if you see, there's some normal soil. I just dusted it out. I made it fine. It will be the last layer. And I have some NPK. This is Wonder Coat NPK. I'll be using it at the bottom layer, so that it is soil release. It's 14:14:14 NPK. So I'll be using that. Some Aquascape. I've got the plants from my aquarium that were not doing well. I'll be using those here, hoping they would thrive in this. And the sand, I've washed it, the construction sand. If you see, the water is clear, and they are ready to go. So I'll be setting up and showing you how things look after it. So here we go guys. As you can see, the first draft is ready. I've used some screw valve, some HM, some Rotala Bangladesh, and Ludwigia narrow bush, which weren't doing good in my main tank. But yes, this is the scape that we have. We'll let it mature and we'll update after a couple of weeks. We'll put on the light for 6 hours daily on timer, and we'll see how this thing matures.